Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn FreeCAD new feature which is a 3-point lighting. Here if you see in this image, this is the a circuit board of made in old FreeCAD version, and this one is made or opened in a FreeCAD version 1.1. So here you can clearly see that how part is getting rendered in a more enhanced graphics quality in 1.1. So let's understand what is the 3-point lightning. So here I have one part open in FreeCAD, and let's understand the 3-point lightning. So this is the new feature, and this is the pull request of FreeCAD, which is a 19397, and here you can see it is a clearly mentioned how before and after a part open in a FreeCAD. So basically this part might be designed in some circuit board software and it is open in FreeCAD, and this is the previous one and then this is the new one, and here is the lightning setting. So if you see that image, so this is not graphically sound. On the other hand, this one is a too much graphically sound. And here in an older version of a FreeCAD, this option was a little bit confusing. In fact, if you see here, XYZ clearly denotes the coordinate, but this Q1, Q2, Q3 is a quite confusing. But in a new FreeCAD version, in a light source option, you can see the clear instructions like main light, backlight, fill light, horizontal angle, vertical angle, and the color. So we will see this lightning feature with a FreeCAD part. So here I have a FreeCAD part, and now I will go to the edit and then preferences, and here under the display you will find the light source option. So here let's change the main light, and here is a color option. So here I will select the red color, and intensity of a color, let's I want 50. So you can see here as I have changed my main color to the red and intensity 50, so it is reflecting on a real time, and let's see how it will appear on my part. Say apply. So here you can see that main red color is applied on my part, and let's change with some other color. Let's select light blue, say OK. So you can see that now color changed to the blue and with an intensity of 50. Let's combine the two colors. Let's go to the edit and preferences, and let's change the backlight color. Let's I wanted to combine pink with blue, say OK, say apply. So here you can see that two color is blended on my part, and let's change the intensity to the lower. Instead of a 50, let's go with a 15%, and let's go with a 20%, and let's go with a fill light, and fill light, let's say select yellow and say apply. So here it applied, but intensity is low, so I will go with a 100% intensity. So instead of a 15, let's go with 100. Let's go with 100, and let's go with 100 and say OK. So you can see that how shiny is my part. So this way you can use the 3-point lightning features, and here I have apply all the three options: main light, backlight, and fill light. So you can experiment with the colors and you can apply to your part. So this is all about 3-point lightning feature in a FreeCAD version 1.1. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time. If you wanted to learn FreeCAD from the scratch, then you can buy my complete FreeCAD course from zero to expert. In this course you will learn everything from the basics, and you can see the complete course structure. It will start from the introduction of a FreeCAD, customization, sketching, fundamentals of a part modeling, mechanical part modeling, assembly, technical drawing, and mechanical projects. You can also visit the link to watch the demo lectures and make your decision. Here, if you buy this course, it is a one-time payment with a lifetime access, no subscription and no renewal. Let's talk about the core feature of my course. It is a more than 30 hours of a structured video training, and I always update this course on equal interval of a time. You can start from the basic. You do not have any need of a prior CAD experience of any softwares. I also provide the tutorial source file, respective video lectures, 2D drawing you will get, and real engineering projects, not just basic shapes. I have a experience. I have a blended my mechanical journey into my course, and best part is that it is a lifetime access and you can learn at your own pace. So please check out the link given in a video description and a pin comment.